Gentlemen, is everything to your satisfaction?
This is nothing but an angry crowd. I don't get you, man. A week ago, you talked like you were all ready to hang it up.
We nearly got 40 pounds we still need to sell.
And what about after? After you make up some new magic number? Like, I got bills. I gotta make more.
What do you want me to say, Jesse?
Things have